history and unity of the people of Bengal, especially we, the youth. This gathering is a celebration of our culture, our creativity, and our shared journey as a community. Naragsak yan nagno ti panagyaman ni ang mangrugi ito'y a celebration ti Abel Panday Festival 2025. The Abel Panday Festival reminds us of our beginnings and strengthens our sense of belonging. For the past years, we have consistently worked together to present a street dance festival that showcases creativity, discipline, and unity. Each year, we aim not just to entertain, but to tell a story. Di istorya, ti iri tayo, ti kultura tayo, kaya ti pinakikaykaysa, kas komunidad. What you see today is the fruit of our collective effort, sacrifice, and genuine love for Bengal. This celebration would not be possible without the countless individuals who work quietly and tirelessly behind the scenes. To our Street Dance Committee members, Sir John Robert Morgan, Sir Rodrigo Juan Sarmiento Jr., Engineer Jason Maki, Sir Ronald Lanyard, and to all our partners in this committee, Peace and Order Committee, medics, barangay activists, and the Red Cross 140 volunteers, food committee, sanitation and cleanliness, and the logistic team, and of course our street dancing partner, headed by Sir Rodel Grosso. Thank you for helping us and for sharing your time, skills, and resources. To our barangay officials, barangay tanods, and SK officials, thank you for your constant support and cooperation, and for ensuring the safety and order of everyone throughout this event. To our choreographers, dancers, craftsmen, and creatives, your passion and perseverance transform ideas into powerful performances. As we gather here today, may this festival reminds us that progress is best achieved when we walk together. No daan ti panakaykaysa at daan pigsa. Let us continue to honor our culture, support our talents, and uplift one another throughout this meaningful celebration. Like we say, Bangga, Bakar, Kamyanan, the joyful haven of the North. Para di turismo, kultura, at kabataan ng Bangar, agyaman ako na ng Diyos niya.
Once again, thank you very much to our 2025 Abel Panday Street Dance Chairperson, Honorable Marcela Maris Loriada. And given that we have a competition for the evening, we have invited over best of the best individuals who may have the best seats. However, the most difficult job for the evening, ladies and gentlemen, to properly introduce to us our distinguished individuals. May I call in Engineer Jason Maki of LYDO to introduce our selection committee. Let's give it a warm round of applause.
Good evening, Bangladesh. As we celebrate the artistry, culture, and energy of the Abel Panday Festival Street Dance Competition, we are honored to have a distinguished panel of judges who will lend their expertise, fairness, and passion for the arts for tonight's competition. With their trained eyes and deep appreciation of cultural performance, they will help uphold excellence in the true spirit of the festival. Let us now welcome the Board of Judges of the 2025 Abel Panday Festival Street Dance Competition. Our first judge is a distinguished festival director known for his commitment to preserving and promoting Kapalitan culture. He has led both the Sinubuan Festival and the Sabuaga Festival, elevating them into vibrant celebrations that highlight tradition, artistry, and community pride. With years of experience in cultural programming and event leadership, he continues to champion Filipino heritage through meaningful, inclusive, and creative festivals. He is also a member of the World Dance Alliance Asia Pacific, representing the Philippines in cultural exchanges in Hong Kong, Singapore, and Malaysia. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge, Mr. P. Wanted Luz. Our next judge is a distinguished educator, artist, and cultural worker from Pampanga. He is a licensed professional teacher, a graduate of Angeles University Foundation, and holds a master's degree in physical education from Pampanga State Agricultural University. He is a general member of the National Committee on Dance Standard NCCA, head of the delegation for the 2025 Taiwan Lantern Festival, and a recipient of the Pupul Banwa Award in Dance. Currently, he serves as head of the Center for Culture and the Arts and choreographer of the City College of Angeles, Sayaw Angel Dance Group. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give our hands to our second judge, Mr. Johnny Boy C. Pangilinan. Our next judge is the leader and choreographer of the St. Louis University Dance Group in Baguio City, resident artist of the Cultural Center of the Philippines, Formula, and a finalist in Cultural Center of the Philippines Wi-Fi Body Choreography Competition, earning 2 among coveted awards. As an artistic director, he has led Philippine delegations in prestigious international festivals, including the Jeju World Folk Art Gallery and the Busan International Dance Festival in South Korea, and has served as choreographer for the Gion International Children's Folklore and Folk Aid Festival. He also serves as Vice President of the Philippine Folk Dance Society, CAR Baguio City Chapter, and the Dance Association of Baguio City. Choreographer of the Champion awarded Panagbenga Grand Street Dance Open category in 2018, 2019, 2023, and 2025. Our third judge, Mr. Sherwin H. Santiago. Our next judge is a highly accomplished pageant creative director and choreographer, known for his championship winning works in Pampanga's festivals and pageantry. He is a board of director of the LGBTQIA+ of Angeles City, actively advocating for inclusivity and creative empowerment. He has led multiple contingents to overall championships, including the Pinulo Festival of Fora, Balacan Festival of Mabalacan City, Aguman Sandok of Minalin, San Nicolas Festival of Mexico, and the Sinubuan Festival 2025 Street Dance Competition. A 3-year champion and a Hall of Famer of the Angeles Arena de las Flores, he is also the owner of the managing head of Erang Event Production Management and the official pageant choreographer of Monia ni Kapampangan. Let's welcome our fourth judge, Mr. Elton Joshua Ramos. Our last judge is a healthcare worker, educator, and cultural worker. He currently serves as the vice head of the National Committee of Northern Cultural Communities as the National Commission for Culture and the Arts. He has served as local coordinator for Malilihanan Bayan Magdalena Mamayo and training program director for Inabel Weaving at the Kamaba Cultural Center in Pinili, Ilocos Norte. He has performed in Southeast Asian countries and Japan through his past participations in cultural exchange programs such as the SHIP for Southeast Asian and Japanese Youth Program. He has been invited as judge to community festivals in various towns as well as in dance and music competitions in the academy. With his passion and advocacy to promote indigenous heritage, he founded Katutubo Exchange Philippines in 2013, a volunteer organization that organizes the annual cultural exchange program under the same name, Katutubo Exchange or KX, dedicated for indigenous youth. To complete, let's welcome the chairman of the Board of Judges, Dr. Edwin V. Antonio. As we celebrate culture, creativity, and unity, we remain guided by our vision, Bangal Tiamyana, the joyful haven of the Lord, where heritage thrives and artistic excellence is proudly upheld. Once again, we extend our warmest welcome and deepest appreciation to our distinguished Board of Judges for sharing their time, expertise, and passion for the arts with us tonight. Good evening, and let us all enjoy the night.
Thank you very much, Engineer Jason Mackey, for the introduction of our judges. I believe everyone is ready. Bangar, are you ready? However, before we start, the committee have set a parameter and our guidelines that will be followed by our judges to ensure that we have the most credible results for the evening. And so to read us the criteria for judging, mechanics, and guidelines, ladies and gentlemen, the vice chairperson of the 2025 Abel Panay Street Dance Committee and Bangar's tourism officer, let's welcome Mr. John Robert Morgan.
Good evening to our honorable officials, led by, of course, our honorable mayor, John Izon, esteemed guests, judges, officials, and visitors. Without further ado, please allow me to read the criteria for judging, including its mechanics and guidelines. For the concept, Bangar is the home of the Festival of the Lord. This year's street dancing competition envisions the parade of culture and tradition that highlights the Abel Panay Festival in the municipality, as well as theatrical dances, showcasing their tradition and culture of the place they are representing. Camp music through indigenous style and chanting is highly encouraged. For the costumes and props, performers must wear distinct costumes with touch of Abel fabric. The prop persons, banner holders, water assistants, and choreographer who will be with the performing group, as always, and also be dressed in costumes or attires that match that of their dancers. For the choreographers may adopt steps from original Philippine folk dances. The attire of dancers should be consistent with the folk dance chosen. A part of festival theme song must be included, and it's reported to which part the song, but the chorus part is highly encouraged. For the music, tag music is a combination to render through the use of any percussion instruments of the drum and lyre ensemble, which can join to the mood of the choreography, specifically in your dance routine. The choice of music can be any music genre, which can be the form of a melody. For the performance, first for the street dance, performers have shown this continuous dancing in a forward motion and use stationary routines to prevent delays in the parade. Upon commencement of the parade, participants should render 3 minutes of art performance using the festival music. Parade coordinator assigned for entry will give the signal or cue for the group to start the performance. Performers are given the liberty of their choreography within the given 3 minutes. Only handheld props are to be used during the parade. No standalone or platform props are allowed. And the entry will assign the parade coordinator who will serve as a judge for directions and instructions all throughout the parade. For the full call representation, every entry will showcase a routine that will last for only 7 minutes. This will include the guarding formations of all performers, dancers, and props. A great part of the ways to start of the routine, a yellow flag will be held high after 5 minutes and a red flag after 7 minutes. And if you're performing below 5 minutes and beyond 7 minutes, we'll automatically have a 5-point deduction from all the judges before the scores start tallying. Platforms and other standalone props may be used as part of the presentation to be assisted by the respective prop persons. The entire demonstration is to perform within the staging area with a 30 by 30 meter dimension. Both the entrance and exit of the group must be choreographed. For its rules and guidelines, the general rules, the choreography must remain wholesome at all times. Street or field representation must not endanger any of the participants or audience. Aerial stunts are not allowed. Costumes must be well secured to prevent wardrobe malfunctions. Props must not include live animals, pyrotechnics, living materials, and dangerous or live weapons. The use of party poppers and confetti are strictly prohibited. Parents or parties are not allowed in the perimeter of the staging area where the next choreography will be performed. There will be 5 judges at the street parade and field presentation. A ranking system shall be used. The decisions of the board of judges recording the official results are final and irrevocable. The top 3 winning entries will come to be nominated by the judges of the sport committee during the grand parade, and the results will be declared after the competition. Disputes will not be entertained at the performance and judging venues. Questions and concerns should be addressed separately with the executive committee of the event. For the grounds for this qualification, execution of dangerous and aerial stunts as part of the choreography, and rootiness failure to observe sportsman's like conduct before, during, and after the event, as named by the executive committee. Finally, for the judgment scoring, the street parade and vocal presentation carry a total weight of 100%. The street dance is weighted at 50%. Well, the vocal presentation accounts for 70%, making the combined total of 100%. For the criteria for judging, concepts, storyline, accents, and interpretation is 20%. Choreography and interestedness is 20%. Musicality, choice of song, music, editing, and thematic compositions is 20%. Creating use of costumes and props, additional 20%. Overall impact and energy level is 20%, so the 100%. Good luck everyone and happy fiesta again.
Once again, thank you very much to our tourism officer, Sir John Robert Horton. And so, by our number, I believe everyone is ready for tonight's competition. Muli, magandang Bangladesh, kasi kayo amin ako. I just have several instructions for all of our audiences here at our venue. May I, or we will be requesting all of our friends that are standing here to please vacate the area after the performance. Number 2, can you please make sure that we will not be crossing the green line for the safety of our spectators and all of our performers. Number 3, may we request all of our props men to please make sure, siguraduhin po natin na makakalabas within the time frame and the time period ang ating mga gamit. And so, once again, bayan ng mga, I know everyone is excited. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga dancers. Lahat po ng kasama ng Taypay, alas 2 ni Malong nakapulpulon. They are in the streets celebrating the beauty, festivity, and the culture of this very municipality. And so with that, we shall have our roll call as ng mga kaibigan natin, our contingent. Number 1! Asaan ang ating contingent? Number 2! Contingent number 3! Contingent number 4! Contingent number 5! Now, nasaan ang nagkakaisang bayan? be part